Hey everyone! Today's task to solve is longest substring with non-repeating characters. Write a function that returns the longest non-repeating substring for a string input. And we have some notes. If multiple substrings are tied in length, return the one which occurs first. To solve this task on expert level, we have a bonus that makes this task even more harder. We need to solve this task in linear time. As usual, we have an example of what would be the right results if the function is written correctly. So, let's start implementing our function, and first we will write down two variables, the current substring that will be updated every iteration, and the longest substring that will be the return variable. In the bonus section of the description, we need to implement this task in linear time, and one of the way is to use the for statement. And as was said before, in for statement, we will add in every iteration a character to the current substring. In the next step, we will write condition that will check if the current substring has already the character in the current iteration. In this case, we will use the slice method, and for the first argument, we will use the index after the letter that goes in the current iteration, and for this, we will use the index of method. And the last step is to write the condition that will check if the current substring length is greater than the longest substring length, and if it's true, then we will update the longest substring variable. We are done with our function. Congratulations! After checking some tests, we can see that the goal is achieved. And that's it. Thanks for watching and solving this task together. If you like it and want to see more of these kind of videos, please click the like button and don't forget to subscribe. See you soon!